G'day guys, I'm Kwackajack and thanks for joining along for another video. So today, look, probably not my most intelligent video to date, but essentially we're gonna be learning how to do a burnout on a Ninja 400. Yeah. So I've never done a burnout before. I'm not really into that sort of hooning stuff, but I figure, why not? I've not looked up how to do it or anything. I assume it can't be hard. Front brake in, let out the clutch while accelerating. I assume that's all you need to do. So yeah, welcome to another Kwackajack video. If you're new here, hi. Oh yeah, I also am in the middle of nowhere, so I don't bother anyone, and also so that nobody sees me. All right. So, front brake in, squeeze. Okay. I have no idea how those fucking guys stay in the one spot and just like... Alright, come on, let's try again. Maybe I have to do it like fast. Like let out the clutch. Like let out the clutch and then it just spins and doesn't get traction. Yeah, that's sort of a burnout. Hey, that one wasn't so bad. I'm way too excited by that. Hey! This is so dumb. Yep. Hello. The secret is not to bitch it. Actually, if you didn't know, that's actually the secret to life as well. Don't bitch it. Well, that has got to be the dumbest video I've ever shot. But it answers the question. Can you burn out on the Ninja 400? Yes. Can I burn out on the Ninja 400? No. Alright, look, I'm not going to give up. I just looked over that footage and that was pathetic. So let's try one more time and hope that I don't hurt myself. Oh, we did a turn! Wow. That's cool. Yeah, alright, well, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm just glad that I didn't hurt myself, to be honest. I'm not really into doing burnouts, but I thought, what the hell, I'll give it a go. So yeah, please give this video a like, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and join the motorcycle loving family. We are ever growing very, very quickly. And yeah, I don't know how I feel about that video. I don't even know if I'll post it. That's got to be the dumbest shit I've ever done. I'm gonna go read a book or something to try and regain some of those brain cells I just lost. And yeah. So, till next time, guys. See ya. Please don't hurt yourself. Yep. Is this my saddest video to date? Absolutely. Oh yeah, guys, real quickly, if you were wondering what the tires looked like after that, not too bad. And that's because I cannot do burnouts. But there you go.